Hello, my name is Alexis Trumbull, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use SPSS. SPSS is a statistical software that social scientists in particular use in order to analyze their results of their surveys, of their research, of their experiments. In this case, I'm using GSS, the General Social Survey, imported into SPSS to determine public sentiment regarding issues. These can be political issues, these can be environmental issues, they can be medical issues. As you can see, when you open SPSS, all of my General Social Survey data has been loaded into this screen, which we call Variable View. You can switch to Data View and have the same information displayed in a different format, but for the purpose of this demonstration, it's easier if we work in Variable View. The names of all of the variables are listed in this column, and their label listed in this one. As you can see, we are going to be looking at issues of medical abortion. I'm interested in conducting what's called a cross-tabulation, which is used in SPSS to determine if there's a relationship between two variables, an independent variable and a dependent variable. I'm interested in determining if there's a relationship between respondents' sex, whether they self-report being male or female, and their opinions regarding the accessibility of medical abortions. I think there's a relationship there. I think that women are going to be more receptive to medical abortions than will men. So let's look at it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Up here we're going to go into Analyze at the top of our screen. You're going to click on Descriptive Statistics, and we're interested in conducting cross-tabulation. We're going to clear out all of these dialog boxes to make sure that we're getting a fresh start in SPSS and make sure that none of our variables are conflicting. We're going to start in columns, which is where you input your independent variable. In our case, I'm interested in the effects of sex on attitudes towards abortion. So my independent variable is respondent sex. We're going to go down into our variables, find sex, select it over into the columns dialog box. Now, through rows, we're going to select our dependent variable. In this case, I'm interested simply in if women should be granted an abortion if she wants one for any reason, which is the variable labeled ab_any. Ab_defect, ab_health, ab_no more, ab_poor, ab_rape, and ab_single can all be analyzed separately or together. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to look at ab_any. This can be transferred over to the rows box, so now we have both our independent and our dependent variables loaded in and ready to go. The Statistics button on the right hand of the screen shows if you need chi-square analysis, correlation results, phi, Kramer's V, lambda. None of these are things that we're interested in currently. What we need to do is modify our cells. We need to make sure in the percentages box that the item marked column is checked. This is going to ensure that SPSS is going to run data based on, stratified by, the independent variable as opposed to the dependent variable. We can click Continue. Everything should be formatted the way we want it. We do want these in ascending as opposed to descending order. And all of these style values are not things that we're going to manipulate. Once all of our dialog boxes are complete and our cells are formatted by percentage and column, we can click OK and view the SPSS output. This output can show you valid cases as opposed to missing cases. Missing cases are those people that chose either not to answer the question or answered it in a way that is not codable data. And then here's our cross-tabulation down at the bottom. You can see that data stratified by sex illustrates that men, surprisingly, are more permissive of medical abortions if a woman wants one for any reason. This is how you use SPSS to conduct a cross-tabulation in order to determine if there's a relationship between two variables, an independent and a dependent variable. In terms of social issues, you can determine public beliefs, attitudes, opinions about some of these questions, and that can be useful in a variety of ways. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.